just got to our hotel and it is really nice. Oh, it's so fancy. Okay, we should go check in. We're just enjoying the lobby. So quiet. Oh, that's cool. Wow. Ooh, show them the room card, Alyssa.
The room card is made out of wood.
Isn't that cool? It's like a wooden room card. Hey, this is the room right here. You passed it. Right there, yeah. Ooh, that worked well. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. Whoa. Oh, there's a blanket on the bed. Ooh, so fancy.
It's so clean.
I know, it does look really nice.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at this interesting door that you could sort of see through. What's in here?
Whoa.
Oh, the toilet
bathroom?
Whoa.
Oh, that's a big shower.
Oh, it's huge.
Oh my gosh.
It's so
That
cool.
Is so cool.
This is a really nice room.
They gave us water on the tray.
Oh yeah, when we walked in, they gave us water on a tray.
Whoa, this is high class service.
I know. This blanket is really cute and comfy.
It's a real plant. It has water. It's real.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Let's take a look at our view.
Oh, look at that. That's so cool.
Wow.
And there's like a door you can.
You know what? Let's just talk about how there's a white chair right there and it's clean.
I know. Like whoa.
It's clean. Oh, that's cool.
Balcony, but it's still a balcony.
A really, really small balcony. You can at least see the outside world.
Air.
Yeah. This is a really nice room. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wow.
Wow.
That's
This is a
cool.
nice one. There's roses slippers. Ooh, just for us.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting so excited.
And in case you're wondering why I'm here, I'm doing a modeling shoot tomorrow for 15th grade. And I also noticed, look, it's like they perfectly folded each little crease.
I like the floors. Look at the floors. They're so clean and they're white. They're so clean. Oh my gosh. Everything's so nice. Alyssa just saw that cool light. Turn it off so we can see what it's like without it. It's even up there. Yeah, so cool. Oh, thank you. We should try them on.
Take my shoes off.
She can't get her shoes off fast enough. I'll put mine on too. Don't fall. Okay, I'm putting mine on right now.
I'm too excited for these donuts. Oh dear, you're more confident in my shoes.
I don't think we do things that spoil ourselves often enough. We're having way too much fun just because we got a fancy hotel. Ooh.
Dang, I just had a rope on too. Whoa, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, it has like 5 layers.
Oh, it looks nice.
Oh my gosh.
All of a sudden, it looks like you're at the spa. So fancy.
I've been modeling in this.
By the way, I'm using my cute Family Fun Pack bag that I never have used. I just want to show you guys that. Bye. What's that?
It's a loofah.
Ooh, that's a shower scrubber.
Wow.
I want to see. Ooh, fancy.
Wow. Oh, look.
I guess you could put it on your hair.
I spilled and I feel like I have to clean it up because of how nice it is.
And I don't want to leave any trash on the floor when the floor is this nice.
I even feel guilty putting trash in the trash can. Okay, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And it's going to be a very exciting day, so see you later. Bye. Good morning. It's the next day. I'm all dressed and I'm heading out for my photo shoot. I just got to Petite and Pretty and I'm heading in. Ooh, the sign.
You're gonna love it. It's all like ice creams and candies. It's so cute.
Alyssa's gonna go meet the hair and makeup team. This is literally such a cute set.
It's also her birthday. Yes.
Oh, pretty
She gets it from her mama.
Aww.
My least favorite part.
You look pretty though.
I'm getting ready to have my lunch. My fancy soup. Thank you.
Is it good?
Yes, soup is the best.
Ooh. We might have to take a picture there.
So pretty. Okay.
She's looking at wardrobe.
Look, it's like same color.
Your nails match for a moment. We're about to take that off though. I like your dress. Looks pretty.
Your hair is so pretty.
It's a beautiful color.
It is. These are my choices for my hair clips. I love them.
Oh, they're cute.
That one smells so good. I can't wait to like pose with like the little fake ice creams. They're so cute.
I know. They have the best props.
I know. Those huge ice creams are so cool over there.
They're giant.
Final touches.
So cute. What's your favorite shade of lip gloss, Alyssa?
One that's
We're asking her
I like
questions
this
and she's
one.
like,
There's another pink
getting
one I
lip
have, but I don't remember what it's called. Maybe.
We will send you home with a big goodie bag.
Ooh.
Wipes. Everyone wants her big.
you're really cute. Do you want to see?
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, they already look so good.
Yeah, like
Good, she killed it.
they all look good.
I'm gonna take some pictures here really fast. One in front of the flowers and one in front of this pretty blue thing. I'm obsessed with these. So cool.
It's really pretty, huh?
Just gonna enjoy these flowers and take a couple of pictures. So cool.
Yeah, this is a really pretty spot. Isn't that adorable?
Oh.
Such a cute outfit.
Yeah?
Oh, your turn. Ooh, is that a scrunchie?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I
pretty.
know, it's so cool, right?
Ooh.
So cool. Lollipop earrings.
Oh.
I was wondering why you were leaning back and also behind you. You keep going farther and farther away from me.
See, her eyes are like gorgeous.
Cute. There, that was cute. That was a good one. It went so fast to the screen.
Oh, that's cute.
These are so pretty. They're so cute.
Oh, I love it.
There it is.
That's a cute
think
package
we got
she's
it.
holding. Cute. New product. Oh, those look great, Alyssa. Those look so good.
Yeah, I can read
That one was cute. Your makeup looks great.
You'll put this on, you'll tuck this in, and
That's cute, Alyssa.
with the way that it...
Yeah. Your favorite color too, pink.
Oh, is it? Oh, perfect.
Yes.
I know I love this one with the pink because we did them in all different colors.
I was gonna do like next little ice cream stand.
The ice cream stand we might. We're gonna do them with the giant ice cream sauce.
Do my new outfit.
So cute. Look at the skirt. Cute skirt. You look actually very cute in
I
that.
love it.
This is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at the sprinkles.
So cool.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so happy you're wearing that cake.
So what are you gonna have on your head now?
A huge cake bow.
Yes.
Or I don't even know what it is.
Look, here it comes. It's so cute. Ooh, pretty color.
Pink on pink on pink.
Yeah, get up.
So pink.
Yeah.
She's pretty and cute.
It's your favorite color, so.
Yep.
You're gonna get encased in here, right?
Wow.
It's like frozen yogurt.
Yum. So cute. This is so cute. That's so cute, Alyssa. Oh, she's going to mascara now. She's moved on to a different product now, and she's doing such a great job.
We're doing another outfit change.
Final outfit change of the day. There you go.
Pretty. Ooh, look at this outfit. That's really cute. This is literally the cutest.
We are always on the edge. Hearts are open wide. Different yet alike. You and I so different now. We are always on the edge.
Did you have fun?
Yes, I did. Look so cute.
This is
I had a
adorable.
lot of fun.
Oh, bye-bye to the pretty hair clips. Isn't it cute? I love that one.
Look how cute all these are.
There's all these cute clips. Show the little hats, Alyssa. Oh, they're so cute. I love it.
I just wrapped up shooting with Petite and Pretty. I totally got to hook up. And I'm heading home now. See you later. Bye.